guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have an Hermes unboxing and a cameo from a very special guest. Now let's get into it. My name is Tarina and I'm a lover of all things luxury. I put out videos every week, and if you're a Lux lover too, I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel here, turn on the bell, and hit that like button down below. In this video, I wanted to introduce you to someone very special to me. This is my dog Paco. Paco's a sweet little guy and he comes in at a whopping 4.9 pounds. He's a little Chihuahua. We rescued him about 8 years ago from an organization called Tiny Dog Rescue. They partner with high kill shelters in California, rescue little tiny Chihuahuas, Pomeranians, and other tiny dogs, and get them fostered and adopted to other families. Paco's a sweet little old man. When we adopted him about 8 years ago, he was already an adult dog, about 7 or 8 years old. So he's definitely a sweet little old man, very low maintenance. He sleeps and cuddles all day long. I thought it would be great to introduce you to Paco before I get into my unboxing today, because the item I got is really related to this little guy. He's a goofy little guy with a big personality, and we've loved having him as a part of our family. He definitely bosses us around. He's the king of the house, as you can tell. We also call him the Pharaoh. You know, he's very spoiled and pampered. He definitely deserves it. And basically we fan him and feed him grapes all day. I just wanted to introduce you to my little guy, Paco. He's starting to get a little upset of being on camera, so I think it's time for his other nap, but wanted to introduce you to him today in relation to the unboxing. All right, thanks Paco for stopping by. He'll make a cameo in some other videos, and you'll definitely see him again. Now let's get into the unboxing. So I've been wanting to get this item from Hermes for a while now. I've seen it become available and sold out a few times on their website. So I was really excited to see it available, add it to my cart, and have it come in. So we'll just go ahead and open the box. It comes with a small care card. We'll talk about that in a second. So the item I purchased is the Hermes Petit H Chihuahua charm. It's super cute. I'll use my receipt as a backdrop here. But as you can see, it's a little charm in the shape of a Chihuahua. The reason I wanted to introduce you to my little guy Paco. This can be used as a bag charm, a key holder. There's a lot of cool ways that you could use this little charm. If you're not familiar with the Petit H line from Hermes, the website states that the workshops create these pieces in reverse. So what does that mean? That means that in the workshops, once the artisans create bags, accessories, other leather goods, they have an excess of leather material. So these artisans take the excess material and make little charms, key holders, little pieces from that excess material. The interesting part of the Petit H line is that the color and leather styles that you will receive from your product are actually a surprise until you receive it. So with this Chihuahua charm, on the website, the image is pink and yellow, but as you can see, one side of my Hermes charm is a very nice dark blue. And on the other side, it's a really nice neutral brown, kind of taupe color. So it gives it a unique look. They're also in different leathers. So the brown color definitely appears to be a Togo leather, which is more of a grained leather. And the blue is an Epsom leather. So it's interesting to see the different color pieces, the different textures, and that your piece that you receive is a unique item based on that excess material from the artisans. At first, it made me a little stressed to know that the item that you receive will be a surprise. I typically like to choose specific leather and colors based on what I have in my collection. But the more I think about it, it makes it fun. You purchase on the website, it gets shipped to you, and then when you open it, it's a pretty unique experience. It's a surprise, and each piece is unique to you. What do you think of the Hermes Chihuahua charm and the Petit H line? Would you be open to purchasing something but not knowing the type of leather or the color that you would receive? Or would you rather be more selective and choose exactly what you want upon ordering? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.